Hi, Karen Joy Fritz here, and today I want to talk with you a little bit more about the TinyBiz model and how it is that we can keep all the best parts of our businesses and get rid of the overhead and minimize the distractions so that we can maximize our freedom. What I want to share today is an activity that we do at the Tiny Biz Fest retreat. And this one is about understanding the specific and unique considerations that you have for why you want to have a tiny biz. What is it that you're looking for more of or less of? What is it that really lights you up? And what is just a pain in the butt, right? So here's what we're going to do. Take a sheet of paper and divide it into 4 quadrants. Very simple. We're just going to make a little matrix here. In the top 2 boxes, on the left, I want you to write freedom from. And on the right, write freedom to. So in these boxes, just jot down some of the things that you want to have freedom from. For example, being on call 40 hours a week, or freedom from expectations that you show up at a physical location, or freedom from the expectation of a 1-hour turnaround, like you're always on call. And then on the freedom to side, freedom to travel, freedom to go fix lunch and take it to your elder mom, freedom to be able to spend the afternoon surfing or on the slopes, or just in your art studio. What is it that you really want to have the freedom to do with your overall life? And your business needs to fit into that. You can go ahead and pause the recording if you want to take 2 or 3 minutes and write down, really, what do you want freedom from? And what do you want freedom to? I hope you got some juicy lists in there, right? Because that's primarily what most entrepreneurs say they want to begin with. It's freedom. They're in business for themselves for the freedom. So having an idea what that means makes it that much more likely to have it the way you want it. But look for a moment at those 2 lists. Does your current business match those? How well does your current business give you freedom from and provide you the freedom to? And if it's not quite a good match, are there some ways that you could improve it just 10%? Right? Because we always want to have a bridge from here to there. And sometimes just a 10% improvement can make it sustainable while we're in the transition. And here's a bonus question. Looking at those 2 lists, what does that tell you about the person who wrote them? What does that tell you about their values? What does that tell you about what's important to them in their life? Yeah, the business needs to fit in with our values, be aligned with our soul, match what's important in our life. Now, in the lower left quadrant, I want you to make a list of the things in your current business that tie you down, things that drain your energy. It could be the way that technology is set up, or maybe a lack of technology, managing people, the way that you're delivering your product or your service, right? If you want to work with groups and you're working one-on-one, or you want to work one-on-one and you're currently doing groups, whichever way, right? I have a list here. Mismatched projects, mismatched marketing channels, like where are you meeting people and is that fun for you? So go ahead and in that box, write down the ways that your current business ties you down. I'll give you a couple minutes. You can pause the video. I hope you got a good list. And now in that bottom right quadrant, I want you to write, keep the best. And in this box, I want you to put all the things about your current business that you actually enjoy. Your favorite clients, your favorite way of delivering, your favorite way to meet new people, all of the parts of your business that delight you, that fill you up. I want you to keep all of the things that are the best parts of your business, right? And as you look at this four square, you can start to think about a different way that a strategy could be designed to bring in all the good stuff, leave behind the overhead, and give us that freedom that we actually want when we're in line to actually set up a tiny biz. I'd love to hear what you find out. Join us over in the Tiny Biz Village on Facebook and give me your feedback.